Welcome. I'm John, a solutions manager here at Cast.app. Cast scales customer success and revenue using automation. A Cast project and your customer data together helps generate and deliver personalized presentations with relevant recommendations to each user at every customer account. The presentations are explained by a bot, we call them virtual customer success managers, to both users and non-users, for example executives, of your product. Let's take a look at an example of a cast.
Hey Brian, welcome to your July usage report on the past 30 days of DoorDash's use of SaaS Magic. Let's dive right in. In the last 30 days, your team spent 397 minutes in SaaS Magic, up 35% from the previous month. We analyzed time spent by your team on various products within the SaaS Magic platform. The most time was spent on issue management, and it spiked to over 120 minutes on June 26, 2020. The Outbox product was used 55 minutes per day on average. Finally, as of July 10th, your team has started using the Notes product. The average time spent per user on your team is up 13% since the previous month. Sam Pollock's usage grew the most, at 23% month over month.
Great. Now that you've seen part of a cast, let's see how it's built. Here's a SaaS Magic Cast project in Cast Designer. Each of these nodes represents a different scene in the presentation. Think of each scene as a slide in a slide deck, complete with narrations and recommendations. There are 16 different scene types to choose from. To add a new scene, you simply drag the scene of your choice to your project, like so. Now, let's look at an existing scene and see its settings. A scene consists of design, narrations, and appearance. Together, they visually explain insights in a scene to your customers. In this example, SaaS Magic is using compare bars to visualize product usage by user. The data in the chart is coming from the dataset named SaaS Usage. Now let's look at narrations. The text in a narration is used to explain and highlight insights and to share relevant recommendations. The scene and narrations are personalized based on user and customer account data. Now let's look at recommendations. You can also add relevant recommendations within a scene. Recommendations drive product adoption, renewals, sales actions, and feedback within a presentation. Recommendations are created through an action list, as shown here. These are customizable and can appear alongside a narration. As an example, here is a recommendation to contact Amy from SaaS Magic. Let's see recommendations in action.
The average time spent per user on your team is up 13% since the previous month. Sam Pollock's usage grew the most, at 23% month over month. We noticed that Ian Layton is using SaaS Magic the most on your team, spending 72 minutes last month. Here are some personalized actions for you. Feedback to improve your experience is appreciated.
As you can see, the recommendations or calls to action are clickable in the scene. The recommendations panel also provides a way to collect feedback. Responses to sales action recommendations show up as qualified leads in your CRM for sales-led products, or as transactions in product-led products. Cast integrates with over 55 different data sources and destinations in order to empower your presentations. You can deliver Cast over SMS, Slack, email, chatbots, or show them in your mobile or web product, wherever your customers are. Sign up for Cast today at Cast.app and drive impactful customer outcomes at scale.